guys, now I'm out in the blizzard, and if you don't know, guys, this is winter storm Helena, and it's gonna be snowing all day. And the weather warnings did say that it was really dangerous to travel outside, but you know, the snowstorm kind of took us by surprise. We just thought this was a dust thing. So now we're gonna have to go out to King Cullen and get all the preparatory things we need, like food, water, because we weren't prepared to be in a winter storm. Ooh, I didn't even plow the roads yet.
No. So when it's like this, you have to use your head. Instead of going the back way with all the stop signs and the people, I'm going to get onto the main drags. Just to let everyone know, this phone, iPad mini, all of them are going away right as soon as we go home, because Julie has 4 tests this week and she's studying. So say goodbye to everybody for the day. Adios.
Don't worry, guys.
Nope.
I won't let that happen.
Don't.
Guys, the roads were a lot more slippery than we thought, and she didn't want me vlogging the whole thing, but we had to drive really slow for it. And I feel like on the way home it's going to be way worse, but let's go into King Cullen now. Oh guys, it seems like a lot of the food here, like the vegetables and stuff, are really like, they look rotten, because I think everybody already took the good vegetables, but we were still able to find a few good vegetables that looked like they were in good condition. So, yeah. Oh guys, the storm is getting extremely worse. The snowflakes are starting to be thicker and they're coming down a lot quicker. Hey, that rhymes. But I'm kind of worried that we might not even be able to get home. I mean, we got everything we need and we weren't here for about 2 hours. And I just hope we can make it home so that way I can watch the football game in front of a nice warm fire, watch the Weather Channel too. So please pray for us and everyone who's experiencing this storm. Well guys, we just had to shovel our car out of the snow, and I made some good snowballs, threw them at her. But we're going home. She told me to...
Well, I got to transfer money from City to Chase. Can you do it?
Oh yeah, I hope.
Got your seatbelt on?
Yeah.
You ready?
We're ready!
We're ready, friend!
We're gonna risk our lives in a snowstorm. Well guys, now we're driving through the life-threatening snow, and even though we don't have to travel a million miles, we're just driving like so slow because we don't want to slip, and it might take us a while to get home. I mean, now we're about 1.5 miles, like a half a mile away from our house, and we'll see what happens next. God's looking over me. God will always want to keep me safe, and Daisy too. So we just gotta trust in God for this one. Winter storm is named after you.
Oh look, Carolina.
Aww. There's nothing finer than to be in Carolina in the morning. Oh guys, we made it home alive. And we are so thankful, more than you know. But really, snow conditions weren't that bad. It's really as you get more into the day. Like now, it would be bad for driving. But they're not even plowing the roads or anything. This is New York. There's like thousands of people who needs to go on the roads every day. Plow them. What do you think of this winter storm?
Yeah, well, it's good for the kids. They like snow. I don't care for it.
Me and Dad are now going to go out and walk in this life-threatening winter storm.
It's a winter wonderland. It's not life-threatening.
Walking in a winter wonderland. And like,
There's a little snowman tree.
Yeah, I hope you guys can see it. I can't even see the camera anymore. Yeah. There they are. And there's no winds right now, so that makes it a lot easier. It's just heavy snowfall.
I feel you don't feel wind, I do.
And finally, the question everyone is asking, why are we walking in this storm?
Because we're too lazy to shovel out the car.
Yeah, we have to go to our favorite store now. You guessed it, 7-Eleven. So, yeah.
7-Eleven today means 7 to 11 inches of snow. That's what 7-Eleven means today.
That's true, actually. You have a good point there. And I can't shut the recording button off. Because these gloves aren't like, they're not touchscreen proof.
Pointing at you or pointing at the environment?
Pointing at us.
Well, let's go at the environment.
I can't because the phone case is blocking it. That's the environment, guys. Yeah, this is good. Yeah, so that's what's going on. Winter Storm Helena from New York City, well, Long Island, but we're close to the city. Hey guys, we just got a couple items at 7-Eleven and now it's time to go home. Well guys, now we are in Dunkin' Donuts and we're literally the only customers here, and I'm just going to be getting a winter donut because it seems like a good idea, because on our way to 7-Eleven is a Dunkin' Donuts, so we thought, why not get Dunkin' Donuts, right? So, yeah. Well guys, now it is night, and we just watched 2 football games, and Dad is in a football pool, and he happened to win both of the games, and now he has to get the best out of 18 or something. And the snow is slowly winding down. You know, like, we're gonna end the night with, I think, about 8 inches maybe. And I'm so excited.
Don't turn on me.
Okay. But yes, I think it's that much. I don't know. Thanks for watching.